Hey everyone, welcome. Malson here. So we're going to do the pick of the winner. I'm just gonna do the YouTube random comment picker because there was only 3 people. I mean, honestly, I probably should just, what do you call it, divide it between the 3 of them. It's 6 comments, but only 3 people actually commented the way that I told them to. I hope that makes sense. Starcrossed Stitches! Helen! Alright, way to go, girl. She said, and I'm gonna bring this up. So cute. I never think to make tags. I always seem to run out of time. LOL. Those are so Christmassy. I love them. My favorite has to be the little ones, closely followed by the one with the Brad pin. Yeah, those were kind of my favorites too. Anyhow, so if you don't remember watching this, then click back and watch. You guys don't know, but every now and then I will throw in just a random giveaway, and that's what this was a random giveaway. Alright, so Helen, look forward to these. I will be sending them all to you. Alright, love you, girl. You guys, please like, subscribe if you haven't subscribed and you're new. Hit that notification bell, that way you will always know when my videos are out. I'm doing them on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. So I'm getting more on a plan, or you know, like, so that everyone knows. I hope that made sense. Anyhow, I love y'all, and I hope you have a wonderful week.